Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something special for you. We're diving into 4 unique coffee recipes that will take your coffee game to the next level. These aren't your everyday lattes and cappuccinos. We're talking about creative, delicious drinks that you can easily make at home. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for all the tools and ingredients you'll need to make these amazing coffees. First up, we have the Lavender Honey Latte, a soothing and aromatic drink that's perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Ingredients: 1 shot of espresso, 1 cup of steamed milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender. Instructions: brew the espresso, pull a shot of espresso and set it aside. Infuse the milk. Add dried lavender to the milk and steam it until hot. Strain out the lavender, combine and sweeten. Pour the espresso into a cup, add the steamed milk and stir in the honey. Garnish, top with a sprinkle of dried lavender for a beautiful finish. Next, we're cooling things down with a coconut mocha frappe, a tropical twist on your classic mocha. Ingredients: 1 cup of cold brew coffee, half a cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 1 cup of ice whipped cream and shredded coconut for topping. Instructions: blend the ingredients. In a blender, combine cold brew coffee, coconut milk, chocolate syrup and ice. Blend until smooth. Serve and top pour into a glass, top with whipped cream and sprinkle with shredded coconut. Recipe 3. Spiced maple coffee. Now let's spice things up with a spiced maple coffee, a warm and comforting drink with a hint of maple and spices. Ingredients: 1 cup of brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a quarter cup of milk or cream. Instructions: brew your favorite coffee and pour it into a cup. Add maple syrup, cinnamon and nutmeg to the coffee. Stir well. Top off with milk or cream for a rich finish. Recipe 4. Tiramisu latte. Lastly, we have a dessert in a cup, the tiramisu latte. This one is for those who love a sweet treat with their coffee. Ingredients: 1 shot of espresso, half a cup of steamed milk, 1 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix mascarpone cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. Pull a shot of espresso and pour it into a cup. Add the mascarpone mixture to the espresso and stir well. Add steamed milk and stir gently. Sprinkle cocoa powder on top. And there you have it, 4 unique coffee recipes that are sure to impress your friends and satisfy your taste buds. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more coffee inspiration. And remember, all the tools and ingredients you need are linked in the description. Happy brewing, and I'll see you in the next video.